Welcome back to Product Critique, where we dive deep into the world of gadgets and tools to give you the most comprehensive reviews. Today, we're taking a close look at the Fluke 115 digital multimeter. Let's get started. The Fluke 115 is more than just your average multimeter. It's a reliable tool designed for professionals and enthusiasts alike, offering a range of features and functionalities that make it stand out in the market. First off, let's talk about its key features. The Fluke 115 is capable of measuring AC/DC voltage up to 600 volts and AC/DC current up to 10 amps. It also offers resistance, continuity, frequency, and capacitance measurements, making it versatile for various electrical and electronic testing tasks. One of the standout features of the Fluke 115 is its large, easy-to-read digital display with a backlight. This makes it incredibly convenient to use in poorly lit areas or low light conditions. Additionally, the operation is intuitive, with clearly labeled buttons and dials for easy navigation. Durability and safety are paramount when it comes to electrical testing equipment, and the Fluke 115 doesn't disappoint. It's built to withstand the rigors of professional use, with rugged construction and reliable performance. Plus, it's safety-rated Cat 3 600 volts, ensuring peace of mind when working with high-voltage systems. Now, let's talk about the user experience. Many users praise the Fluke 115 for its accuracy, reliability, and ease of use. Whether you're a seasoned professional or a DIY enthusiast, this multimeter delivers consistent and accurate results every time. Of course, no product is without its pros and cons. While the Fluke 115 excels in many areas, some users have reported minor issues with glare on the display. However, these seem to be minor drawbacks compared to the overall performance and quality of the multimeter. In conclusion, the Fluke 115 digital multimeter is a top-notch tool that delivers on its promises. With its robust construction, versatile features, and user-friendly design, it's a must-have for anyone serious about electrical testing. And that wraps up our review for today. Be sure to like, share, and subscribe for more in-depth product critiques. Until next time, happy testing. This has been Product Critique. Thank you for watching.